Hey guys, what's up? Ashley here. Day 14 of declutter and organizing my home. Who's excited? It's almost over with. Anyway, I want to know how many of you have been decluttering and organizing. Like, if I motivated you to start this challenge as well. Makes sense? Okay, so leave a comment below if you have also started the challenge. So today we are in the other side of my closet, the side over here. Yes, I put the TJ Maxx bag back in because it's yard sale stuff. So if you watched yesterday's video, I did this side of my closet. I will leave every day linked below in the description box. But we've got top shelves, all kind. Oh, we're over here today. It's a crazy mess. So, like everything in my life. So let's see here. Yeah, look at that. Look at this floor. Oh goodness. But I'm gonna quit stalling. I had haircuts to do today, and I feel like it took me all day to do them because one of the girls has a ton of hair. Well, they all had a ton of hair, but. Okay, so 411. These brown boxes right here are like filing boxes I got from the Dollar Tree, and they keep all the kids' like paperwork and artwork from schools that they have made. I just keep them in there, once for each of my kids. I'm gonna obviously put them up on I'm gonna put them up on the shelves, my closet. A lot of my planner stuff is in here, so I've got to figure out if I'm gonna put it on a shelf or something. Purses, shoes, and scarves and stuff is one day. I think it might be tomorrow. I'm not positive. Can't remember. So I might just like put all my purses in a basket or something, and scarves and stuff. I've got them down here but I would like to go through and see if I've got like clothes or anything in those. A lot of this up here is, yeah, hats and purses and stuff. I'm drawing a blank, guys. But there's not much clothes to go through, and I've been talking for 4 minutes. So let's just go ahead and get into it. But for a while, Ashley, wait, you're rushing the deal. If you have not subscribed, do so, please. I would love you guys to join our family, our tribe, all of it. So subscribe, the red button below. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and if this gave you motivation to get into your closet and clean it out. So now we can get into the video, guys.
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's no traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our mighty fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Okay guys, so I have 10 minutes left. Yes, I did not go through all these because there's hats and purses, and my leggings are in one of them. I do need to go through all my leggings, and then I need to go through my dresser. I probably should have done that today too, but I'm tired. I'm starting to get a headache, and I have a bunch of clothes on my bed that I need to put away. But I'll give you an overview. Okay, so this is winter stuff like hats, scarves and stuff. I have some extensions in here that I want to take the clips off of and use them for my other extensions. That's my extension holder, and my tripod holder is the black one. This little jewelry thing right here I'm going to give to Aubrie, and that's her belt. I need to find a place for it because it's actually too small. So I've got notebooks and stuff in this. These are all notebooks and planners and stuff that I've got set back for the future. I might give one as like a gift or something. I'm not sure yet. This is all planner stuff. And then these are those boxes that I was telling you about that has all the kits of stuff in it. Leggings are in this one. There's purses, house shoes, and shoes that need to be relaced and stuff, like my Sperry's. And then that is hats. My cowboy hats, and then my floppy hats, and these jeans are either way too big, which I'm keeping for pictures and stuff, or they are too small, which I'm hoping I will eventually get into them. It's just a motivation I like to have. That is some birthday stuff that I went ahead and grabbed Aubrie because her birthday is coming up and that stuff was on clearance, so it's okay to buy your kids clearance. All of my shoes, I decluttered quite a bit of flip-flops. Sorry, my allergies are bothering me. So I've got my, I only have one deal that's like doubled up. So one pair of shoes that's doubled up, and that's these right here. So, yeah, just flip-flops and stuff. I think I found how I'm gonna organize my jewelry, maybe. I don't know, but I like how this is hanging. And that's just my simple, you know, earrings and keychain and an earring there. But, oh, and here's my belts. And then these dresses I'm trying to sell online. This is my extra planner stuff. I might move this stuff over here. And I put these loose shoes that are nicer over here with my box shoes. And I put my extra curtains that I like, I put them over here. So yeah, that's, oh, and then I have all my Sperry, most of all my Sperry's in one pair of bobs over here. And this is where I store my jewelry. It's a workout just to get to it, but there's all my jewelry. I've got it. I might move it to one over here, but I kind of like it back there out of the way, which means I'll forget about it. And these are all holiday, that's all holiday clothing and stuff. Alright guys, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go off here, put all my clothes up that's on my bed, and my closet is organized finally. It's kind of nice, and I have, look at all the shelf space up here. What? Oh yeah, I've got all that shelf space. So I might put my purses up there. I don't know, I'm kind of wanting to get rid of quite a few purses. I've got actually a couple out here. Have a problem. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, hit that subscribe button, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.